With this Nana's simple remedy, you can improve stomach and intestinal problems and even treat various digestive system cancers. This magical drink, made by boiling greater plantain seeds and extracting mint juice, is known for its benefits in weight loss, and digestive greater plantain seeds, or broadleaf plantain, with mint juice have long been used in traditional medicine to treat gastrointestinal diseases. It has a cooling temperament, while mint has a warming property. When combined, they create a balanced and strengthening effect. Traditional medicine highlights the numerous benefits of these two ingredients. The mint juice and boiled greater plantain seed syrup have the following therapeutic properties. 1. Treating intestinal infections. The syrup of mint juice and boiled greater plantain seeds is believed to have therapeutic properties for treating Helicobacter pylori infection, a bacterial infection that can cause stomach ulcers and gastritis. The antimicrobial properties of mint and the soothing effect of greater plantain seeds may help in combating this infection. 2. Relieving intestinal gas. 3. Easing severe heartburn. The acidity and gastric fluid are significantly reduced, which is attributed to the inhibition of gastric acid secretion and the increase in mucosal defense factors. 4. Improving bloating and stomach ulcers. 5. Addressing rectal bleeding caused by cold temperament. 6. Treating nausea caused by stomach coldness and food regurgitation. 7. Easing stomach laziness. 8. Acting as a laxative and softening the intestines for relieving constipation. 9. Aiding in weight loss, greater plantain seeds are high in fiber and can decrease appetite. Consuming it with water before meals can help control and reduce food intake, leading to long-term satiety and assisting in weight loss. 10. Reducing fever. 11. Providing relief for kidney and bladder discomfort. 12. Because of ursolic acid in the seed, it has antiviral properties. So, in addition to its liver detoxification effects, helps prevent hepatitis. 13. Treating rheumatic pains. 14. Alleviating cold symptoms. 15. Inducing happiness and alleviating depression. 16. Eliminating halitosis. 17. Treating colitis. 18. Strengthening the immune system. 19. Relieving spasms or contractions. 20. Treating asthma and cough. 21. Clearing the voice. 22. In some cases, even treating stomach and colon cancer. The syrup contains various beneficial ingredients, including vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, B group vitamins, calcium, carbohydrates, potassium, iron, magnesium, tannins, menthol, choline, coumarin, antioxidants, flavonoids, norepinephrine, serotonin, omega-3 fatty acids, and omega-6 fatty acids. When using this remedy, it's important to note that boiled greater plantain seeds and mint juice have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and disinfecting properties. Here's the recipe for preparing this magical syrup. 1. In a pot, mix 1 cup of mint juice with 1 jam spoon of greater plantain seeds. 2. Place the pot on heat and bring it to a boil. 3. Once it reaches the boiling point, reduce the heat and let it simmer for 10 minutes. 4. Turn off the heat and let the mixture cool down until it's warm but not hot. 5. Add 1 teaspoon of honey to the mixture. Avoid adding honey while it's still very hot, as it can destroy its beneficial properties. 6. Without straining, consume the syrup before bedtime. It's recommended to drink 1 cup of this beverage daily for 40 to 60 days. However, adjust the consumption based on your doctor's recommendation if needed. Notes: for treating stomach discomfort, use mint juice in preparing the syrup. But if you suffer from intestinal discomfort or constipation, use half mint juice and half rose water. Pregnant women should avoid consuming greater plantain seeds, as it may stimulate the uterus and increase the risk of miscarriage. Despite the benefits, please keep in mind the following points. If you're taking anticoagulant medications like warfarin, exercise caution, and consult your doctor regarding simultaneous use of greater plantain seeds, as it contains vitamin K, which may interact with these medications. Wish you health and happiness.